Hello, everyone, and welcome again to Portugal, which is where I am based and where I am broadcasting today. As Alicia said, I am the Chief Operating Officer of Ynvisible and have been with the company since its very founding. So Carlos and I have been here for a while. It's been a wild ride, certainly many stories to tell and very interesting learning experiences. With me here also is Petteri Stromberg, our head of product management, and he's going to briefly introduce himself. I'm just going to step away so that we keep a safe distance.
Hey, good morning to the Americas and afternoon and evening elsewhere. My name is Petteri Stromberg, and as Inês said, I'm working as the head of product management at Ynvisible. I haven't been here for a long time, but I have a long background in new technologies and bringing those to the marketplace and in customer interfaces and things like that. So my past 20 years more or less went with RFID technology. So just wanted to say a quick hi, and I'll let Inês get back to it. Thank you.
Thank you, Petteri. Yeah, so Petteri will also be available for later question and answer session at the end. So as I said, we're located in Portugal. This is where Ynvisible started, and we are a customer solutions center. So let me share my screen with you. Can you see it? Yes? All right. So Jani has said a few things, Carlos has said a lot of things as well. I'm going to try not to repeat a lot of the messages that you've heard already, but I wanted to highlight that here in Portugal, from our Customer Solutions Center, we basically focus on clients and how to deliver solutions to clients. So how to meet clients' expectations and needs with our technology. From the very start, we understood that we needed expertise and a multidisciplinary team that could really deliver solutions, and not only a chemical device, which is what our printed electrochromic display is. So we have a group of designers, chemists, electronics engineers, production experts that really bring it all together to offer final solutions to clients. And this is also what Raghu has said is really important for companies in printed electronics to be doing in these times. And that's what we focus on here in Lisbon, Portugal. So we have this multidisciplinary team. We offer a full package of different services, from idea to prototyping to small, medium volume production. And then when the cases get to the point where a higher volume production is needed, we pass it on to our team in Sweden, from whom we're going to hear today as well, from Tommy. So, and as we've already heard as well, our current model is to offer these services, but we want to evolve into a model that really leads to the global adoption of our technology. And that's why we hired Petteri, and that's why we are focused more on products and in developing inks, materials, design tools, and also quality control tools that we can offer to different production partners around the world. So our facilities here in Portugal look like this. I'm actually going to try to take you to take a glance at what our team is doing right now. So I'm in the office space, but I need to take off my cable. All right, let's see. I actually initially thought that we could broadcast this from the production floor, but they are working on a confidential customer project right now. They're busy. I didn't want to interrupt that. And it's noisy. So I hope you can see We have, this is our production floor. Let me close this. So really the main message here is that we use conventional standard print house conditions and also quite standard printing and converting equipment in these facilities. And this is why we believe that this technology is truly mass scalable. That is our intention. And one of the goals here from our team in Portugal is also to be able to provide training and tech transfer services to print houses around the world that want to start producing our technology. Okay, so one of the examples that we can actually talk about, most of our cases are confidential, unfortunately, but one of the examples we can talk about is our collaboration with Evonik, which you've heard already about a little bit, but this is a really good example of the work we do here every day. So basically what we did here was match two printable technologies and really demonstrate that they can be printed together, manufactured together into a flexible and thin form factor. So Evonik has this printed battery, rechargeable battery technology that can be coupled with Ynvisible displays to be applied, for example, in smart labels. The thin and flexible form factor really allows for that, for those types of applications. Here's a small video. Just one more feature of this technology is that it's not only rechargeable, but also very sustainable and green, and also solid state. Both technologies are. So, and this is a very good example of also how these different capabilities are needed to build really final solutions and not only a single display that can't do a lot by itself. All right. The other task that we do daily from these facilities is really to ship both ink kits and display kits. You've heard about these already from the other speakers. What I'd like to say is that we've really seen a huge increase in interest from these kits from the market this year. I can give you a very generic number. So in the first quarter this year, we've sold the same amount of display kits that we sold in the entire year of 2019. So we're really seeing, although that doesn't represent a very significant revenue, we're really seeing an increased interest from the market. And these kits are really an easy way to get started with the technology and to disseminate it to as many people, as many potential clients as possible. And this is, again, a daily task for our team here in Portugal. You've seen this slide already. Jani has talked about the impact of COVID on our activities. I'd like just to add that one of the main messages is that we've been able to keep the team all healthy and operational. We haven't closed doors, but we've done it in a safe way. So everyone is working with their masks and safety conditions, with the right safety conditions, and we're open for business. In fact, we've seen an increase in the interest that our technology has had in the past few weeks. People are not so busy traveling, so they actually can work more effectively, and that has been definitely a very positive sign for us. So just wanted to highlight that as well. And that's it. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to be here.